dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to email multiple recipients in Bluehost Webmail without showing their addresses to each other. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost Webmail by going to bluehost.titan.email. Fill in your email address. Click on Next, fill in the password. Click on Login. Once you're inside your email inbox, click on New Mail. A new window pops up. Here, instead of simply writing your or entering your or filling your recipient single email here, click on BCC and start with the first email. For example, first or email1@gmail.com. Click on enter, then fill in the second email address, gmail.com, and here I will fill in my real email address, and here this message was sent to multiple Gmail addresses. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Multiple Gmail addresses. Click on send. My message was sent successfully. Now let's check my inbox for this message. Keep refreshing, and I've received the email message that was sent to multiple email addresses without me knowing the other privately, without me seeing the other messages. And this is what the other will see, will not see my email address. And this is how to send or email multiple recipients without them knowing their addresses. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.